Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I am going to tell you the new update of WhatsApp, that is View Once option. What is View Once? If you send any photo or video to your friend, you allow that person to view once that photo or video. Let me show you how to enable or how to use this feature. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, connect to Wi-Fi and tap and hold App Store. Menu will appear and we have to tap on updates. Now we have to check the list. Is there any update available for WhatsApp? If there is, then tap update to update WhatsApp. After that, close the App Store and restart your iPhone. After the restart, launch WhatsApp. Now select any of them and tap on camera and select the photo or video that you want to send that person. In your typing area, in a circle, 1 is appear. We have to tap on 1. Photo set to view once. Now tap send. That's it. This photo is set for view once for that person. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.